In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your idler pulley on your Hyundai Accent 1.6 liter. It's located on the side of the engine. All right, so we're going to get this bolt underneath the alternator. It's a 14 millimeter socket, and I'm going to loosen it up. All right, once you feel like it's pretty loose, I'm going to swap out that socket for a 12 millimeter, and we're going to loosen this bolt. And now we're going to go to this adjuster bolt and loosen it. This is going to take the tension off the belt. My pry bar, and I'm going to go back and forth with it just to get it to move a little bit more. We're almost there. That should be enough. There we go. All right, so now we can remove our serpentine belt. We will have a diagram on the side for reinstall. Okay, we're going to use a 14 millimeter wrench. You can use a socket, but once you start loosening it, you might get jammed up and not be able to get it out. So I'm going to use wrenches. So once you get it loosened a little bit, I'm going to get my ratchet wrench in there. All right. Now you can take that pulley out. All right, so now we're going to put our new one on. I have the bolt through already. And I'm just going to get that bolt started by hand first. Once you got it started by hand, get your ratchet wrench in there, 14 millimeter, and tighten it up. We will be torquing this as well. All right, we're going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds. All right, we're going to feed our belt down. Hook it on to the bottom two pulleys, the crank and the AC. Work your way up. You're going to put it on the alternator. Make sure you hold the belt tight on the bottom two pulleys. Hold some tension on that. You're going to feed it over on the left side of the water pump. And then get it started on the alternator so that you can then take it off the water pump a little bit to get it on the alternator completely, and that'll hold it in place. Once you get it back on there, you can slide it onto the water pump. You want to inspect, make sure the belt is on properly. Okay. Now we're going to torque this to 20 foot-pounds. All right, so we're going to torque this to 30 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.